Arikuhayo office G Brian Kaboyo meya w'ururembo rwa Hoima asimire RCC ogu abemirimo mirungi yakorera abantu ba Hoima atyo nuko kwigorambwa aricyo mbigere kugendera mu muhanda nugwo gumwe
antoni kwabayo tukusima the relationship ikairoho hagati yaitu nawe n'abantu twena basite kandi nemirimo enungi yakolire site
umuringo nugwo gumwe Mande Margaret uri kansara harembo rwa Hoima naye tombitire mihondano iri hagati y'abebembezi umurembo rwa Hoima ikiremeyisa abantu kutunga obuherezo bubashemeire kutunga
ni moja udayegesi ni moja civil servant are supposed to be transferred baita badi nkurura bakorobo mwara disi bakusindika bakutera umurodi kunu na kunu they are not going they will go baita agenda bali bakulemesa habo kuba atibwire bunu obwekaro serekere no nakairo rugayi nakoraki habo kuba butukuchulera nitu tugenda kusuffocatinga aboki mukozere muni kintu kya PDM mubaze muleke abantu bakole PDM kurungi araba sobeze mu mugarura rubajo atasobezere kabanza kintu kikoleki kigendo maiso
ogu nagirango no kwindura kwa RCC Katigazi kubikutara umuhanda murungi arikushobora nkweina abantu abamuremeye isemerimo yo muremboro
has gone ayendeze now tayendeze kuruga Hoima I know what I'm talking manyi chenjogera tayendeze kuruga Hoima so obokuba no ija kutaha mu ngobo kuba but right now agenda I so close muno na Wektinsa Brian that is politics inye mukuzatu zane nungi atalembi
William Kasigazi Donanta obeiro RCC wa Hoima East Division murembo rwa Hoima kando bwa hati ohindwira katwaro mu district ya Bushenyi nka deputy RDC nasima abantu ba Hoima abo kumushagika uwiro bwakozere nabo ari kugira ngo ndejagumana abejiko mu magaraje
is being transferred or is being dropped. You will be here, everyone is celebrating. The Banyakol for them, they have their word, which they say, we have survived you. But I want to thank God that I'm leaving this place when actually people are very happy with what I have been doing. I have not anyone saying, let him go. Even the president would have actually delayed, would have taken him a long time ago, which simply means I was with the people.
Umuringo ngugume RCC Katigazi ahigira bebembezi abagumira mu rurembo rwa Hoima ukorera abantu babutosha ngukandi begendeserezo kwebembeze byetengo byabo nk'abantu.
Fellow commissioner, I may not be the ones to tell you what to do, but at least if you can sustain that, people to know that you can access your office. I had even reached to an extent of giving them my number, the telephone number, that you call me at any time. You can imagine you cannot call another DC when it is past 6. The best thing you can get is insults. Why are you calling me at this time? Don't you know the office time? But I want even to have been calling me even at midnight when my phone is cold.
Umuringo nugwo gumwe ogwaterero muranga deputy RCC urikuza kumugariko mbigere okugendera mu muhanda murungi ogwabera rumu ogukwindira bitekateko by'abantu oteriho no kurete ntunguka omimeto yabo.
We talk to the people. We are here because of the people. We are not here because of our positions, but we are here because of the people. But also I'm leaving this station when I had started the initiative which is called Mindset Change, both on media but also on other platforms, whether it is barrio, whether it is, I will go there and talk to the people to use their land.
Moses Muyimbi ogarikiro mbigere bya Katigazi nagira ngo nazagumizamu umunteka teke zabere taireho okukira munonga mukurebuze nkore ya sente z'Amerika za parish development model
sente za PDM president zeya sindika mu bantu okulabanga zitambula bulungi kubanga tulwalwe kifananye kiraga nti abantu abamu bazikozesa olubina ddala abakulembeze basabu naye twagala okulabanga sente zituuka buli muntu nga wayino zifuna
makuraga gashakwa gada saba aba Sky TV agenshonga mu Hoima.